how do you overcome that obstacle where now you're going from marketing to operations? You need to create a system, either have somebody else call. And the problem is that a lot of times when you try to hire somebody, they may not be, they're not going to be like you. So unless you hire somebody that knows what they're doing, and that's going to cost money or higher commission or whatever. So that might not be an option. Or you have a secondary means of outreach that continues without you being involved. There's so many different options available. A lot of times people just go from one marketing to another, right? There really isn't one solution. It really depends on how what you're good at, right? And so one method of marketing may not necessarily mean that that's the way, right? There's so many different ways of generating leads, generating people to talk to, right? So I'm not going to go into the various methods, but you need to figure out that system, right? Of continuing the marketing while you take care of the transaction side or the operational side of the business, right? And that system, one of the systems that I strongly encourage, and people might say it's not, but you need to start accumulating email addresses and develop an email list, because email is not dead. Okay, social media gets all the glory right nowadays in this day and age because of people are on social media because of this phone, right? But email will always and will continue to be the way to reach people, right? And how you do that by whether newsletter, and nowadays it's not even newsletter, it's text messaging, right? And so you need to start developing your database of people, name, email, text, phone numbers, and their history if you can.